Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) chairman Imran Khan has returned to his residence in Lahore's Zaman Park following his arrest on corruption charges. During his journey to Lahore, the former premier revealed that the Inspector General of Islamabad Police made extensive efforts to prevent him from leaving for Lahore. For a duration of 3 hours, he kept him waiting, claiming that it was highly perilous to venture outside, and quote, by persuading him that we would inform the entire Pakistani nation about his act of kidnapping and forcefully detaining us, we managed to secure our release, end quote. Khan stated. End quote. Under pressure, he eventually permitted our departure, end quote. He added. End quote. After finally setting out, we discovered that the roads were devoid of any traffic, and that the perceived danger was non-existent, end quote. He remarked. The Supreme Court of Pakistan later declared the arrest illegal, a verdict criticized by the leaders of the ruling coalition of the Pakistan Democratic Movement, PDM. Khan took a road route to reach his Lahore residence in the early hours of Saturday. Prior to his return, Khan appeared at the Islamabad High Court, IHC, and was granted bail in the Al-Qadir Trust corruption case. The High Court provided him with a 2-week bail period, protecting him from arrest until Monday. This includes charges related to the violent riots that erupted after his initial detention. Khan also obtained bail in the Zil Shah murder case until May 22, and another bench barred his arrest until May 15 in 3 terrorism cases. Since his removal from power in April of the previous year, Khan has faced multiple legal allegations. He has accused the incumbent coalition government of colluding with top generals to remove him, and he alleges their involvement in a November assassination attempt where he sustained a gunshot wound to the leg in Wazirabad. After receiving bail, Khan remained at the IHC for several hours, waiting for the written order to avoid potential re-arrest. Initially, a police officer informed Khan that he couldn't leave the IHC building, but senior police officers resolved the deadlock, allowing Khan to finally leave. Khan's arrest at the IHC on May